Hey y'all, so you already know when you see this orange bag, you already know what it is, right? Who doesn't recognize the orange bag, right? Of course, it's Temu. Temu unboxing. So let's get right into it. I ordered some things from Temu. This is my second time ordering from Temu. First unboxing though. So let's see what we have here. Let's get into it. Everything fit in here. All right, here's the first bag. This looks like the turban. This is the turban I bought. All right, I wasn't sure if this was the turban or I also ordered a jacket and mustard as well. So this is a little turban, and look at this. It has an adjustable strap on it. I hope that could be hidden because that's not cute just hanging out of the back like that. All right, so let's see what it looks like on. It's a little imitation silk turban I bought. Hey. All right, yeah, okay. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do with this adjustable little tab here. Doesn't look like it's tuckable. That is really weird. That's really weird. I can't have it just hanging out like that. That looks weird. All right, so that's the turban. That's item number one. All right, imitation silk turban. I am a fan of this mustard color. This is actually cotton, 80%, I'm sorry, no, 95%, excuse me, 95% cotton and 5% spandex. 95% cotton and 5% spandex. I really like the feel of it. It's nice and soft, nice and soft. All right, I like it. Except for, again, this guy right here. We're gonna have to figure out what to do with it. All right, I already put it on once. All right, stop acting like a newbie. All right, so now, I think this is one of my dresses. I'm just into maxi dresses right now. So I ordered, I think 2 or 3 maxi dresses, and this is one of them. This feels like silk, but I think it's 100% polyester actually. So we got this dress here. All right, and I'm gonna try it on in a separate video, but this is one of the dresses. Now let's see, I think this is 100% polyester. So yep, it's 100% polyester. Here we go. There we go. I'm gonna try it on in a separate video, but yeah, what do y'all think of that? These look like, these are long sleeves, and it's a maxi dress, so it should hit me on the ankle. So there's that. Here's a cute little blazer. So it's not quite the same mustard color as the turban, but this is actually more yellow. I thought it was a mustard color, but it's not. It's definitely yellow. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and slip that on. Yeah, I thought the color was going to be more of a mustard, but yeah, what do y'all think of that? Needs to be pressed, but it could work with maybe a white fitted t-shirt and some jeans, I think. So yeah, okay. Next we have, I think this is just a black shirt. Kind of like a black dress shirt I bought. Okay, there's that. Kind of puffy sleeves there. And we're gonna try these on in another video. But that's that. Nice, nice, nice. All right, I'm not crazy about the feel of it, just the feel of the material. It has a weird texture to me. Kind of feels like paper, like thick tissue paper that you put in gifts. I'm not crazy about that. Right now I'm just looking for 65% polyester and 35% cotton. So it's a poly cotton blend. Okay, so that's that. All right, next we have, I forgot even ordering this. A floral dress. another maxi dress. All right. Okay. All right, so that's that. Next, this is a cute blouse. I have a dress that is very similar to this that I purchased from Rainbow. It's similar to this kind of nautical vibe. Oh, this is not the shirt. This is another maxi dress. Ooh, I'm looking forward to trying this on. Oh, I can see straight through this thing. Oh my goodness. That is not gonna work. I can see straight through this. All right, we're gonna have to figure something out about underwear on that one. All right, moving on. All right, let's see. All right, here we have another shirt. Well, a shirt. This is the shirt that's like the dress that I got from Rainbow. All right, that's cute. With the chains and all. So, let's see what we got here. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna be fitted on me. Well, no, not really. And besides, I have this dress on underneath. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, that's cute. All right. Now, moving along, we have another dress here. Yeah, these dresses don't have any lining in them. I'm not loving that. These may have to go back. There's no lining. I can see straight through the dress. No, that's a problem. All right, and here, this is not clothing. This is a seat cushion that I bought for my mom. The seats in her car sit down really low, so I'm gonna put that in her car, and she can use this, give her a little bit of height on her seat, in the driver's seat. So that's that. Let's test it out. See, it probably needs to go that way. So put it down like that. All right. My vertebrae is becoming aligned. All right, y'all. So that's my Temu haul. Thanks for watching my very first Temu haul. See y'all later.